Idol, may line up na sila.
Oh, hindi ako magpipigil. Tataya lahat, hindi magtitipid. Gagawin ang dapat kong gawin. Alam ko na magagawa ko rin. Parang araw maging icon. Gusto ko kagaya ko si Idol. Alam Michael Jordan kung makakay score. Wala nang magaling. Dating sa ring, balang araw maging icon. Gusto ko kagaya ko si Idol. Kaya yung kita ko nila times 4. Lagi parang rifle. No, kakagat sa fake. Iwas ka sa crowd. Huwag kang makabante. Ingat sa galaw. Huwag puro atake. Aralin dumapensa. Minsan din depende yan kung paano ka pumersa. Minsan kayo lang patay ng pasensya. Isa yan sa mga pangunahing diferensya. Pagdatabak ka na doon ka mag-aakit. Pero pag nakalaman ka na nakakampante, sana kuha mo yung punto. Mula simula hanggang sa dulo, dapat isagad mo yung laro mo. nakatuto kada minuto. Parang araw maging icon. Gusto ko kagaya ko si Idol. Malam Michael Jordan nung mga high score. Kilalang magaling pagdating sa ring. Balang araw maging icon. Gusto ko kagaya ko si Idol. Kaya yung tsaga ko tila times 4. Lagi parang rifle. Kasama na sa laro. Natural lang madapa. Natural lang magkalisod. Natural mabutata. Di ka dapat natitina. Di ka dapat magka. Di ka dapat naghihina. Di nila pwede makita. Kung matalo manalo hanapin kung saan ka mali. Para malaman mo rin kung saan mo kailangan mag-uwi. Yung pinakamagaling na ikaw paano palabasin. Dapat rin pala kapag kakataon na palabasin. Bawal malambot na binte. Kailangan buuan dibdib. At sa sarili may bilib. Kasi may gustong marating. At patunayan sa marami kahit na paunti-unti. Na parang araw maging icon. Gusto ko kagaya ko si Idol. Malam Michael Jordan nung mga high score. Kilalang magaling pagdating sa ring. Balang araw maging icon. Gusto ko kagaya ko si Idol. Kaya yung tsaga ko tila times 4. Lagi parang rifle. Para tuparin yung balang araw maging icon. Gusto ko kagaya ko si Idol.
Slow. Inag coaches, additional 5 minutes warm up. Inag coaches. Inag coaches.
Selection Sunday got the whole world watching. Names on the board, see the madness unlocking. High seas confident, low seas plotting. Cinderella lacing up, whole bracket rocking. Office pools buzzing, everybody swear they're right. 12 over 5, yeah, that's happening tonight. Neutral floor battles under bright lights. Legendary moments, legendary night. David with a dream and a chip on his shoulder. Eyes sweaty name when the pressure gets bolder. 30 seconds left in the gym getting louder. Deep three splash, whole crowd going wild. March is here. A champion in here. Feel the man is rising, can you hear it in the cheers? March is here. A champion in here. One touchdown the next while the rest disappear. March is here. A champion in here. Every bracket busted but the vision's crystal clear. March is here. A champion in here. 6 games to glory, only one stays here. Round of 64, dreams on the floor. Upset alerts ringing like never before. Half court heaves hit nothing but core. Now the favorites packing up, heading for the door. Sweet 16 lights, city shining bright. Elite 8 fight, leaving everything in sight. Final 4 stage, legends in flight. Ready in the air by the end of the night. Overtime thriller, heartbreak killer. Last second flow, cold blooded, real deal. Coach drawing plays in the huddle, real chill. Trust your work, this is the moment. Go silly, go silly. Bragging buses tearing paper dreams apart. Underdogs barking with a lion's heart. Every possession like a work of art. From opening tip to the last shot chart. March is here. A champion in there. From the first tip to the last frontier. March is here. A champion in there. Got the next down. This all year. March is here. A champion in here.
Five. Michael Yeba. Romnick Bakani. Salaw. sa live ha. Dapat din na sa live ha.
Anong gi-switch mo? Check. Check. Check.
Check. 1, 2, 3. Check.
Check.
1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2, 3.
Check.
Check 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2, 3.
Check. Welcome back here inside the Kawayan Masbate Municipal Gym, and welcome to our main event for this evening. It's the JM Piso Wi-Fi against the Batuan team. And ito na nga ang ating second game ngayong gabing ito. Earlier, we started with Ascenso Aroroy versus the Taburante 60, which Taburante 60 won that game against the Aroroy. And now, Nino Abanit alongside Coach Paul Joven to cover this ball game. Coach Paul, good evening.
Good evening ninyo again. Maganda yung labanan ngayon for today. First game for JM Wi-Fi and for WBT Sofia Batuan. They have a new player. Pangalawang game pa lang ito with the former Rookie of the Year NCAA 2024 champion sa Mapua. Is now playing for JRU Heavy Bombers. Itong si Jubilia. So they will have extra firepower. So expect that mabawi itong team na to.
Ito nga yung napaka-importanting abangan no sa ating bakbakan dito. So we are all set to introduce the starting five. Let's go to our Coliseum announcer to introduce the five. Oh, mo gyud ko lang. Idol. Pastorya sila idol balik ba nga kani ba? Kung kinsa rin ang tabi, dili kami tulo ang kuan. Ang name card ba? Sakto na yung posisyon ako si Ninyo si Coach Paul. Pero dapat tuwa lang. Na name card.
Kaya kausapin ko lang ganun. Para wala din ang sa
Dapat doa lang.
apps, may mali sa pangalan ng Jack. Dapat wala. Dapat hindi ko lang magtabas.
Again, maayong hapon, kaningutaran, maayong gabi. It's past 6 p.m. here in Kawayan, Masbate. This is the first Kahamugaway Open Basketball Invitational Tournament for the Municipality of Kawayan, Masbate. This is Paul Joven. Let's talk about now our tournament format. There are 6 teams divided into 2 brackets. Matik yan, top 2 for each bracket will face off on the semifinals 1 and 2. It's a knockout game. And on the finals, another knockout game. And yun na nga, first prize 300,000, second prize 200,000, and first prize or third prize rather, 100,000. Together with me is Nino Abanid. As you can take a look at the very first time, first 5 for JM Wi-Fi. You have number 30, that's their import Faye.
Faye, yeah, that's Faye.
And yung isa parang hindi ko pa to nakita. No? Together with me is none other than Nino Abanid. Now, let's talk about the first 5 for WB and Sofia Batuan. You have their former USC Growling Tigers, Concepcion, Geoffrey Santos. Nag-trending to sa Ipil sa Buanga, Sibugay. Ang ganda ng ginawa. You have Lopez, Unwanco, and
That's Jory Napoles.
Napoles. And a new player na, yun ang nga pinag-usapan natin ninyo, itong si Jubilia.
The question right there, if Chris Jubilia will play for tonight. Ito, may kinaklaro lang din tayo sa ating rules dito, no? And ito nga, ang coach ng JM Wi-Fi, kinakausap itong ating officials dito. Siyempre, yung coach na si Coach Michael Lieva and assistant si Coach Ed Silsana. Owner naman si Sir Roel Madera. Sa W Sofia Batuan naman. Ang kanilang coach is si Coach Romnick Bacani, assistant coach Magbalon. And yung team owner nila si Sir Roel Weber. And syempre, maraming salamat po sa LGU ng Kawayan Masbate, headed by no other than Mayor Edgar S. Condor, and to the LGUs and Sangguniang Bayan members. Sa resulta. Anong final? Idol. What's your final? What's your final decision? Ano final decision? Lalo mo ng billiard. So ito nga, after a long lull dito, yung JM Wi-Fi ay nagpo-protesta for Chris Subilia. Diba? Kasi nga, this is the second game and a late addition for the elimination itong si Chris Subilia, which is technically pwede naman no?
Kasi gusto ang parang sinabi niya hindi naglaro kahapon. Yes, totoo hindi naglaro, but he was already included on the 17-man lineup. So mag-change yan every game. At least 15 to play lang.
So ito, Vic Manuel at the bench ng WB. Coaching.
Tumutulong lang.
Tumutulong lang.
Mga kaibigan niya rin kasi yan
You know what I want to see is yung Ryan Buenafe for the Batuan. Nice find to Concepcion. That's good for save.
Concepcion ninyo. Pag usapan natin nasa labas, maasahan yan. Connecting his first trifecta of the game.
9 minute. That's Faye. Jumper. Miss shot. Rebound by Sherwin Concepcion. 5-0 run. Or start by the WB. In Wanko. Underneath. Against 2 foreign imports.
Gandang labanan yan.
Faye, I guess he played for for
Parang
Ah,
mga na-ASCO or UCAL na mga liga.
oo, parang ganyan no?
Oo.
Napoles 7-0.
Yes.
8:35. Gabriel. They go to the corner. 3-point shot rattle out for WB. Lopez tries to attack. Joffrey Santos. Kick out. Concepcion. That's a counter steal. The feed inside. Balik sa labas. The spin denied by Nwankwo.
Ang hirap doon. Twin Towers. You have Napoles and Nwankwo, the former De La Salle University Green Archers, FSA. Active pa rin. Still active. Hindi na siya nasama sa Ipil Zamboanga Sibugay. But that time ninyo, Geoffrey Santos, what a play, what a pass.
Gabriel. Jumps it. Spin and the shot by Faye.
Parang nailang ako sa spin. Parang opposite, pero nonetheless, 2 points.
Lopez now. 7 minutes. Joffrey Santos all day. Joffrey misses. Napoles underneath.
Check natin yung number 23 ninyo. Is he really Del Mar? I don't think so.
Parang hindi.
Yung last name niya, tingnan natin sa official
7
lineup
minutes.
natin. As you
Joffrey
can see,
Santos
at
all
this
day.
replay,
Joffrey
there's a
misses.
foul there
Napoles.
On number
Under-
23. Both team ninyo early on this game playing zone kasi nga everyday yung laro natin so it will be a very good test of stamina.
Seven minutes sa ating first quarter. It's Jory Napoles. Second free throw for him. It's 11-2, 9-point lead. Villar. That's another steal by Napoles. That's a push. Oh, and Nwankwo with a slam down.
Slamma Jamma. That's what Nwankwo can give this crowd, this fan dito sa Kawayan Masbate ninyo.
Feed inside to Faye. That's another good shot.
Simple lang, pero epektibo.
Lopez, that's a foul, by the way. That's another missed shot. Oh,
Ito number 15 ninyo, yung apelido niya, Pool Is this a Phil-Am or a pure foreigner? Tanungin natin mamaya. First game pa lang kasi nito
oh, another good one. Asking for foul pa si Joffrey Santos.
Very skillful talaga itong Geoffrey Santos. As WB and Sofia Batuan, iba ng pag nakatulog. We have a timeout here. 4-19, a 15-point lead early here in our first quarter.
Batuan. Oh, nice find to Concepcion. That's good for save.
Concepcion.
For
Mga ASCO or UCAL ng mga liga.
Oo, parang ganyan no?
Oo. You have Napoles and Juanco, the former De La Salle University Green Archers, FSA. You have Napoles and Juanco, the former De La Salle University Green Archers, FSA.
They are. That's another steal by Napoles. That's a push. Oh! (19-4). 5 minutes left for the opening quarter. That's Poole, by the way. Faye. The pass stolen away by Lopez. That's Oscar Lopez with 21-4 lead.
Both teams are still really trying zone. Siguro for GM Wi-Fi, they need to play man-to-man. Kanina pa sila kinakain sa zona eh.
Kaya ba 1-to-1, coach, kahit maliliit?
Oh, kaya naman eh. It's just a matter of really helping, especially pag may iwan. As Concepcion making his second three-pointer, ito ninyo, tinanong natin yung coaches ng JM Wi-Fi. Ang apelido ng number 23, hindi to si Delmar ha, it's Bubakar. Oo.
He is Bubakar, by the
Yes,
way.
and ito si Faye, yun ang ano, based on our research kanina. Naglaro to sa PCU Dolphins.
Yeah, PCU Dolphins. No, active league nila is in the na-ASCO lang eh.
As Napoles again, maganda ang gising. Tingnan natin si Alin Bulanadi papasok na. Yung kinain niya masarap eh, yung monggos tsaka yung buwan. Ano Tagalog ng buwan?
Buwan, tuyo.
Hindi.
Tuyo.
Tuyo. Oo. Masarap kanina. Nagselos ako nung nakita ko eh. Oh,
Not bad,
cool!
but Poole.
Oh, this guy can really play.
Parang bata pa rin itong si Poole eh.
Medyo bata pa.
Oo.
Pwedeng Philham, pwedeng Pure Foreigner. Tanungin natin mamaya.
Jackson Corpus also.
Oh,
Not
good.
bad, but Poole.
this
Story Napoles.
Tuyo. Oo. As you can see
And
on
Alin
this-
Bulanadi for
Nagselos ako
Sophie
nung
Santos
nakita ko
naman.
eh. As you can see on this replay ninyo, it's
Oh,
not
good.
just
But Poole.
see it twice. As Poole against Uwanaku, maganda yung bawi. Yung sa dunk ni Juanco.
Inuwan ko. Poole completes the three-point play. Bulanadi with a touchdown using his offhand.
Concepcion, mala Tom Brady yung pasa. Alin Bulanadi, instant impact, parang kapilang 5-in-1.
That is an unsportsmanlike foul. Concepcion holding his right arms here.
Pasa.
Kaya baka may replay dito.
Alin
Tingnan
Bulanadi,
natin
instant
anong
impact,
nangyari.
parang kapilang
There's a
5-in-1.
back pick there.
That is
Pasa.
that's foul on
Alin
Abubakar.
Bulanadi, instant impact, parang
Ito tingnan natin ulit. On that back pick. Kamot eh, no? Yung kamay.
Oo, masakit
May
yan,
tukod eh.
Oh, especially yung mga backpick, yung hindi mo alam, doon yung maraming disgrasya kasi mangyari. The number 73 now. Ito yung pinag-usapan kanina, kaya matagal tayo nag-umpisa. Chris Hubilla, the former Rookie of the Year of NCAA 2024. Nag-champion sila. Mahirap yung season. Ang
Season
dami-
100.
Parang 100.
Season 100 talaga.
Okay, sige. Season 100. Basta, para sure, 2024, nag-champion to Mapua. Kasama ni Iskamis saka si Lawrence Manggubat.
Si, ano
Who's
din?
from Liluan, Cebu.
Bangkale.
Yes, Bangkali was on the lineup. After that, they transferred to JRU Heavy Bombers. So ngayon, they are now eligible to play this year for NCAA 2026.
Sumama nga sila with Coach Randy Alcantara.
Hindi pa. Coach Randy, nag-coach pa naman.
Coach Yung, Coach Yung Garcia. Oo,
Nag-coach
Coach Yung.
pa si Coach Randy last year.
Chris Obilia fires for 3. Air ball for Chris. Shot clock violation.
I don't want to use the word jet lag. Travel lag na lang. Nag-aeroplano to, biyahe pa road. Still a 2-3 zone shown by both teams. Pero ako, Nino, kung ako yung taga-JM Wi-Fi, kailangan siguro lagyan mo ng man-to-man. Kanina pa yan 30 na yung na-score. Hindi pa tayo tapos sa first quarter.
3 minutes and 15. Chris Obilia off the glass.
Mobilia against isang barangay, 1 against 5. You know, it's one of the ill-advised shot, pero pumasok
32-9, coach. You know, 7 minutes yung na-consume natin in this first quarter. But itong JM Wi-Fi, they're struggling to get that first double-digit score as a team here in the first.
Good point there, Nino. So far, Pool and Faye are scoring for both for JM Wi-Fi.
Nwanko will sit down. May shot again. Shot clock at 10. Hobilia scans the floor. Bulanadi, no dip shot. Tansinko with a big rebound.
Maganda yung tira ni Bolanadi After he get that pass, tira agad, hindi na binaba yung bola. Mahirap yan
Bulanadi, one-hander, gets the bounce. 34-9, 25-point lead. They go to the corner, fires for 3, miss shot again. Jackson Kurpus. Pull up, off the glass, that's good.
That's his third try there. But this time, pumasok na. That's number 82 of JM Wi-Fi. That's Tidongs. There's a father underneath. Faye and Corpus nagigirian.
Faye.
34-11. So 2 shots for Jackson Corpus. First one, that's a missed shot for Jackson Corpus. You know yung story nitong si Jackson Corpus, no? When he was in elementary, he was a volleyball player.
Oo.
That is why yung mga shorts niya, ganyan ka, i-click ka siya short no? Kasi when you play volleyball, it's a short. Di ba? Sabi nila yung dolphin shirt kumbaga, no? Yung size.
Mas gusto niya yan So, naganahan na siya. New player now for JM Wi-Fi, Bahar.
That's a veteran for JM Wi-Fi. Pull up. Too strong. Out of bounds.
Ito si Bahar Nino. A bit experienced guy here. Pinasok to para pamatay sa mga zona. So sigurado may shooting to. Tingnan natin.
That's a big rebound here. Recovery. Chris Sobilia. Double team. Stolen away. Tipunes. The drive and the score. That's another steal by Poole. The drive and the reverse. Missed shot. The save. Goes to the white shirts. They have the numbers in the transition. Hobilia spins. Layup short for Chris. Tipunes wants it. He's feeling it. Off the glass. Another short one. Rebound by Manalang. Here comes Chris Subilia. Easy layup for Chris.
Every time Mobilia has the ball, he always goes hard to the basket. Kanina, it messed with that spin. Ngayon, sinigurado, he has that height of advantage. Now, the lead now balloons to 23 big points.
35 the biggest at make the 25 yung biggest.
Kanina,
Oo. Under a minute, by the way. Pull to Remora.
Yari Moraro.
Remoraro. Mobilia tries to attack. Corner pass, Bulanadi. Corpus to Manalang. Philip fires. Philip scores.
When in doubt, shoot. Philip Manalang, the former UE Red Warriors, MPBL player, ang dami ng team na laruan nito ninyo. Nalaro din to sa Chooks to Go Vismin Cup. Pull again on that shaded area and one play. Clearly a foul there on Jackson Corpus.
You know, I love the athleticism. Itong si Poole dito. That attack. Baka pwede pa to sa San Carlos, no? Si Poole. Parang bata pa eh, no?
Bata pa, tanungin natin mamaya. Pero kung pure foreigner to, hindi pwede.
Pero I guess he is a film, no? Sa hula ko lang. Tanungin natin mamaya.
Tanungin natin mamaya. First time pa lang kasi. Baka yung courtside commentator natin dito, pwede niyang gawin yan mamaya, no?
39 to 16 shot clock. Game clock winding down. Bulanadi to end the game.
Shooters shoot as Alain Bulanadi missing his second shot, but bottom line, it's all open. You gotta shoot if you're a shooter. And that's the end of our first quarter, 16 to 39.
Hindi na pwede. 2016. Hindi lang. Tagalog.
Ocho.
Second quarter action, Nino Bandit alongside no other than Coach Paul Hoven. 39 to 16. Oh. Deep
Points
bonus.
there. When in doubt, shoot. Again, Nino, credit to the sportsmanship of Tancinco. Yung landing space no? Umilag talaga siya. As Alain Bulanadi on that drive on the shaded area. Clearly a foul there on number 28, Gabriel.
Pull up coming from Corpus. Over the head pass, Tancinco sa ilalim, double team. Conskirt, Bulanadi, aatake. Bulanadi with extender step.
Alain Bulanadi, very crafty. As long as he's been consistent on that 3 and D, he still can play in the PBA.
That's another steal by Tancinco. Chris Hubilia, aatake, Hubilia. No call right there. But a stop from JM Wi-Fi. Chris Hubilia, I guess, is from Mindanao, no?
Tanungin natin, pero Tagalog
Oo.
Well, yung partner nito, si Mongobet, taga Cebu. Lawrence Mongobet, congratulations, nag-MVP sa North sa 21 under ng Junior MPBL. Faye telling the referee na nag-rip naman daw siya. He ripped through it.
Oo, from Bicol region din pala si Crisobilla from Bulan, Sorsogon.
Malapit lang.
Malapit. May mix eh. May Bisaya, may Tagalog.
Tanungin natin yung si Boss Gigi Alboro. Boss Gigi, ilang oras Boss Gigi? Sorsogon from here.
5 minutes ang siguro.
So,
8 and
mga 2
34.
hours na. 45 minutes Roro, tapos mga 1 hour Bailan.
Bailan.
Okay.
Oh, nice behind the back pass. Missed shot for the conversion. Wide open pool. Flash for 3. Missed shot. Rebound by Corpus. Crisobilla. Aatake. Dire-diretso. Mentes. Corpus sa ilalim. What a big block right there.
Former PBA player. Jackson Corpus,
Rebound by Corpus.
hardworking.
Crisobilla.
guy in the
Aatake.
shooting area.
Dire-diretso.
First na blankahan na.
Mentes. Corpus sa
But they'll
ilalim.
get second chances. That's what Jackson Corpus can do to this team. Tansinko. Oh, pabandang tira. Tansinko, one of the workforce for Batuan.
45-19. Gabriel. Short. With a jumper gets his own miss. They go cross court. 3-point shot again. That's a big miss. That's a foul. Short. With a jumper gets his own miss. They go cross court. Flores and Tolentino. 3-point shot again. That's a big miss.
As the people of Kawayan, Masbate City, or Masbate, really applauding Tolentino. Alam mo naman si Tolentino ninyo, ano yung nabibigay? Yung energizer, yung mga antics, kahit tayo napapatawa at we're having fun here.
Oh, nice pass. Everything but the finish done. Fade away. And that's a good shot for JM Wi-Fi. 45-21. Shoutout nga pala sa mga nanonood sa atin sa labas, ha. Mayong gabi as Tolentino knocks down the 3-point shot at nagpalabas pa ng pana doon. Ito si Neil Tolentino.
Oh, sa lahat ng na-cover natin ninyo, that's the first time Tolentino made the three-pointer.
Oo. 48-21. Manalang. Kick out. Tolentino, heat check. Tolentino, back to back.
When in doubt, shoot! As Tolentino, maybe that's the first time of his life. 2 out of 2 within 1 minute from the trifecta.
Substitution ulit para po sa JM Wi-Fi and for the WB Sofia.
Philip Manalang. Good. 5 minutes for that guy. Geoffrey Santos, bumalik na. So far ninyo, yung nakikita natin kanina nga on that first game, nanalo itong Tuburan through 360. So parang matik na yan. They will now be either 1 or 2 on their group. But nonetheless, pasok na yan sa semifinals natin. A much needed win now for WB and Sofia Batuan.
(51-22). Another missed shot. 51-22, big lead. No look pass deflected. Forward pass. Tipones to Pool. And that's good for 2. So far, a mini run for JM Wi-Fi. Pasapas. Flores. Tansinko, corner. Tolentino, atake. Layup, too strong. Here comes Poole again. The drive. The reverse. And that's a foul.
Ni-reverse pa. Pwede namang sa wakali eh. But Poole there going to his
Okay, layup
hand,
too
which
strong.
is right. As you can
Here
see,
comes
take a
Poole
look at
again.
this replay.
The drive. The reverse.
So nice. We need to see it twice. New player now for Batuan, Del Rosario. First time playing now on this game. Again, pasensya na po tayo sa mga background music or background sound natin ninyo ha. Kasi sa sobrang dami dito sa likuran natin, alangan naman policy natin. Ganun talaga pag mga probinsya, province na mga fiesta, and that's what Philippine basketball is all about.
Flores, Euro step. Tsaka Hakim Olajuwon finish doon, eh, no?
Oo.
Yung
Iba na
mga
talaga
Robertson.
Iba na talaga yung mga big man ngayon eh. Skillful. Hindi kagaya no na kung mga panahon pa to nila the tank Noli Locsin, inararo na yun eh. Mga Benji Paras, Tower of Power.
Kakatawanin na eh, no?
Flores. Good sidestep there.
5:30 sa ating oras sa second quarter. "15 seconds to shoot. Tipones, and that's a foul on Neil Tolentino.
Tolentino acknowledging his foul. But alam mo, yes, malaki yung lamang ng Batuan.
15
but
seconds
with
to shoot.
Tolentino
Tipones,
on the
and that's a
shaded or
foul
in the
on
court,
Neil Tolentino.
we will be entertained, that's for sure.
Pull up for Poole. That's another foul. That's all number 4 para sa JM Wi-Fi. That's on Villar.
Santos throwing up some dribbling exhibition with a three-pointer all the way from Barili, Cebu.
56-25. Tipones, step back shot. Rebound by Flores. Tikboy de Rosario with a top right there.
Ito ninyo si Coach Michael Lieva o JM Wi-Fi. May ultra green light itong Tipones. Kanina pa ito tumitira sa 3 minamalas pa lang.
Tipones again with a layup. "56-27. Flores to Tikboy del Rosario. Poole against Santos. Here comes Poole to the corner. Pull up. Too strong. Rebound. Tikboy to Tolentino. Tolentino tries to attack the back and the shot by Neil Tolentino. Pull up. Too strong. Rebound. Tikboy
What it's all
to Tolentino.
about. Alam mo, mabait
Tolentino
na
tries to attack the back and the shot.
Showcasing his antics. Really flexing, you know. Again, bottom line basketball with entertainment naman.
Tikboy to Tolentino.
Si Poole asking where's the foul line there.
The back and the shot. Tries to attack the back and the
In
shot.
transition, eh, no?
Tolentino. Kailangan tawagan talaga.
Exactly. Binangga naman niya talaga.
3-point play, hindi na kompleto ni Neil Tolentino. Poole tries to attack, gets the foul against Flores.
Ayun yung mga veterano eh. Wala daw foul pero you know, you're just sticking your hand there. Bumalik na itong si Faye for JM Estre Wi-Fi. Tolentino, that's why he is called on our social media digital age as Mr. Energizer. Kaya nga yung mga tao dito na-energize eh. Alam ko may bomba pa itong dala.
That's a missed shot, by the way, for WB. Faye brings this one down. Extra feed. Nice find by Faye.
Faye is around 6'6", 6'7". He got some skills.
The
Good
biggest,
assist there.
the biggest lead so far, 30 point. Santos, no look pass. Stick boy fires and scores. The biggest lead, 33 points.
Kanina pa yun open si De Rosario eh. Medyo matagal lang yung pasa ni Santos. Pinaganda pa.
Pull up, miss shot, rebound Santos. Now look pass to Tolentino, too strong. Bright Nwanku checks back for WB at Sofia. Two and 35. That's a big shot for Abu Bakar. Inside. Oh, ganda na masaya at sa ilalim.
Ganda ng laban dyan. Nwanko and Faye. You know, credit to this both teams ninyo. Although lamang na itong batuan, they're still playing very hard to entertain Kawayan people inside their municipality gym.
Flores, atake. Oh, Flores. Another miss. 65-33. Pull. That's a fake. At the free throw line. No dip. Sargada, nagpapasab ka agad. Di lang na shoot.
Oo. Unusual yung jump shot niya, hindi jump shot. Shot lang. Hindi tumalon, pero muntik nang pumasok.
67-33. Pull. 17 to shoot. That's Faye with a missed jumper. Joffrey Santos. Behind the back pass to Flores. Goes to Tolentino. Spins, draws it. Flores. Short, but there's a foul.
Yeah, good pass by Tolentino to Flores. But Boubacar not giving up on that play. Almost kind of blocked. Bumalik na itong si Tipones. That was a quick rest. Coach Michael Lieba sabi niya, medyo sobra malaki na tong lead. Kailangan kita ibalik. One of his trusted players, may ultra green light talaga, alam natin. Flores making it, or missing his first free throw. 2 out of 2 rather. Pumasok pala yung dalawa. As you can see there, Tolentino. They're moving the ball here. Still, Batuan playing 2-3 zone. Yung kasi, wala kasi nakakapasok ng tira sa labas. So they're sticking on their guns, especially on the defensive side. Zone na tayo.
By the way, thank you so much. Yung JM Wi-Fi sa free Wi-Fi dito.
Oh, thank you. Kaya pala, mabilis.
Oh, pull-up jumper. Oh, bawi din. Ito si Paul sa harap. Dinil Tolentino. Match up. ISO. 1-on-1. Tolentino, aatake.
Basketball entertainment. Yun naman talaga, tama yun. May warning dapat kasi, alam mo, yung taunting na kasi yun eh. Yung kanina, yung ginawa
1-on-1.
hindi
Tolentino, aatake.
Ngayon kasi, sa harap na talaga.
So that's a warning already for Neil Tolentino.
Oy, shout out kay Boss Gigi Alboro. 13.6 million viewers. Divide 1 million. 13 million. Divide 1 million. 13. Tolentino missing his second free throw. Flores still playing very hard against 3 defenders.
70 to 36, 10 seconds on the game clock. Too strong, that's a foul pa for Tikboy.
Oh, medyo may tulak sa ilalim. .6 seconds left here on our second quarter. Oh, what a rebound there. And good follow-up there by number 7 of JMY5, Regalario, to end the first half 38 to 17, a 32-point lead for Bantuan. For more actions, we'll be right back here inside Municipality Kawayan Gym, Masbate.
Laglag ang Butiki. Pangalawang tira. Hoy! Muntikan lang. Nakulang lang sa kain. Sayang pa ng 5,000. Hoy! Hindi umabot. Dali pang 4 na tira. Player to ng Team Kawayan sa MBL. Half-court shot! Uy, tigan lang. Sunod, sino si Mr. Kabahog. Tira na siya. pa rin. Wala pa rin nakakuha. Award 5,000 cash prize. Sponsored by Maston. Andyan na. Hoy! Munti kang biyak ang board. Bawal na tayong pangalawa ha. Bawal na po. Pumagilid pa talaga. Partida kaya. Ayan. Aray ko. Hoy! Hindi ka, medyo lakas-lakasin mo lang, kuya. Second throw. Ay, wala pa rin. Yay! Hindi na buwelo! Muntikan pa! 5,000 na, naging bato pa! Wala pa rin. Pwede pa sumali. After ng ating game clock na. Muntikan na. Nandiyan na si Sir. Pupukol. Hey! Pasok sa net sa ilalim. Muntikan pa. Ando na. Pangalawang tiro. Hey! Malapit na! Grabe naman yun. Uy! Bawal na yan. Ito yung sinasabi na buhaya. So sino pang gusto? 4 minutes left na lang. Pasok na kayo kung sino pang gusto. Pasok lang. Ayong tumira, hindi na pwede ha. Munti ka na. Worth 5,000. Sinong hindi gaganahan dyan? Ada na. Ora kabot. Lumsi kaayo.
Stadium roar, feel the bass in your chest. Lace up your shoes, yeah, it's time for the test. Hearts full of fire, no fear, no doubts. When the whistle blows,
Ang gusto pa mag-intra, ang gusto pang sumali. 2 minutes na lang. Habol-habol na. Bago tayo magsimula sa ating third quarter. Wala na magdagdag ha, wala na magdagdag. Pasiguro!
champions born, every rep, every step, every late night grind. Our work pays off when we're all aligned. Let the whole world hear. This is our time all year. Feel the energy rush, turn it up.
Oy! Tiga na. Wala good. Wala good nga. Buslo. Kabot.
Fans in the stands, wearing our colors, waving those flags, making the whole city proud. We don't back down, we don't break, we don't ever fold. Got a champion spirit, yeah, fearlessness is bold. Every chant, every stomp, every roar in the night.
Oy! Andando na! Paldo! Pero Baldado! Kuya! Punta na dito, kuya! Aray ko ah! May pumasok na! Paldo! Pero Baldado! Andito na, nagtataginting na 5,000 na galing sa sponsor natin na Mascot! Yay! Tahong! Paldo pero Baldado.
Manalang. Kick out. Tolentino, heat check. Tolentino, back to back.
May oras oh.
Okay, back to the ball game, the third quarter.
Welcome to our third quarter action. 70-38 is our score. Congratulations sa Pumaldo kanina ha, sa nanalo ng 5,000 pesos.
Oo, nag-absent lang daw siya sa trabaho. Half day na lang yung trinabaho niya. Wala naman na pagsabi na pupunta siya, manalo siya ng 5,000 eh.
At least sure ball na yung quincenas eh, no? Isang
Oo.
quinceana. Tipones.
WB and Sofia right now playing man-to-man for the very first time as Tipones still missing outside shots.
That's a good stop right there for JM. As Faye, too strong with the drive. Baseball pass, Bright in 1-2.
Uwako making his 2 out of 2 on a slam and jab. Hinanap talaga ni Concepcion itong si Uwanko.
That's a Bright spot for a dunk for Bright in 1-2. (72 to 38). Easy layup for Philip Manalang.
the 5 for WB and Sofia Batuan, Owanku, Concepcion, Manalang, and Jubilia, NCAA and UAAP talent, and of course Lopez. That's the good thing eh. At least makikita ng mga tao dito sa Kawayan Masbate, elite talent
Yep.
playing basketball. At least hindi man lang sa TV natin makikita. At least dito talaga true to life.
No, at saka yung mga poster dunks, yung mga monsters dunks doon. And Sherwin Concepcion did that drive. 7 minutes sa ating oras. Delmar inside to Faye. Actually, that's Bubakar. Rosaroso. Faye fires.
Faye making his first field goal on the second half.
78 to 40. Chris Jubilia with a feed. Owanku again. Third dunk in a row in this ball game also.
Oo. Faye very hard on his teammates. Parang sinasabi niya, yes, tambak tayo, but still we need to play hard. Full. Stop and pop.
Here's a steal. That drive and the score.
On a move there for Tipones. Pinakita talaga niya that his coach, he has that trust. Too much to handle there for Poole as Jubilia using his strength.
Six and 20 for the third quarter. Poole. Mish shot. Jubilia. And a drive for Chris. That is a foul on Bubakar. Rosaroso checks out. And papasok naman itong si Gabriel. 5 and 55. Oh, a big shot again. There's a shot for Tipones. 84 to 47. 15 to shoot. Manalang, atake. Manalang with a feed to Owanku. Masyadong malakas. Tipones to Poole. Short. Poole again. Denied by Owanku.
Owanku saying sorry to Manalang.
Tipones
It's a good pass.
to Poole. Short. Poole again. Denied by Owanku.
Poole missing gimmies. Poole. Kinausap mo to kanina. Sabi niya he's a Philab.
26 years old.
Oo, 26 years old na lang.
Poole. Cross-court pass. Tipones fires. So far, the 1-2 punch, Tipones and Poole, no?
Oo. Alam mo si Tipones, may tira naman talaga. Maganda yung top spin ng bola. But so far, hindi lang talaga pumapasok yung outside shot niya. Jubilia. Oh, what a move there. But just missing inside the shaded area, but Uwanku not giving up on that play.
Gabriel. Kick out. Bubakar. Short. Cristobilia to Bryant Nwanku. That's out of bounds.
Uwanku clearly apologizing to his teammates and his coaches. Sabi niya, my bad, my fault. Mea culpa.
Poole. Kick out again. Pull up. That's a missed shot.
Ubilia, spin, another miss. Sorry miss for that guy. Alam mo natin, matik na yun para sa kanya. As Tipones still missing outside shots.
That's Mark Poole with another score here. Concepcion to Bryant Nwanku. Gets a 2-point shot.
Faye doesn't want to give that easy dunk.
That's Mark Poole with another score here. Concepcion to Bryant Nwanku.
So we'll take a look at
Gets a
this
2-point shot.
replay. Uwanku. Chance of an and one play. Completing his and one play.
Three minutes. Oh, pass deflected by Bulanadi but recovered. Oh, babawi naman. Si Mo Faye.
Galit na galit itong si Faye. He wants to pop up his teammates.
Bulanadi. Miss shot. Rebound Santos. Dumiretso lang. Faye. To Poole. Fires for three. Miss shot. Faye gets the end one.
Jackson Corpus tumawa na lang eh. As Faye, clearly that's a technical there. Taunting yun eh.
Faye. To Poole. Fires for three. Miss shot. Faye gets the end one.
On this replay, he's really flexing. Sabi niya,
To
maliit
Poole.
ka lang.
Fires for three. Miss shot.
Kita naman natin eh. Maliit
Faye
talaga.
gets
Si
the end
Corpus,
one.
compare mo kay Faye. Faye now wanting to complete his end one play.
Miss shot and a rebound for Jackson Corpus. 90-55. Tancinco. Bulanadi. Rattles out.
Pag simulan natin talaga tumira, parang malaki yung chance na papasok eh. Lefty, maganda yung bitaw. As Gabriel, medyo kulang ng calcium on that shot. Santos.
Kick out. Bulanadi. Jackson Corpus. The pass. Tancinco. To Jory Napoles. Oh, the figure roll.
As Faye again, still playing hard. This It's a 35-point lead now for Batuan, but still playing very hard. Ito yung gusto ng mga tao at gusto rin natin.
Oh,
Don't
that
give
figure
up
roll.
that easily. Yes, malaki yung lamang, but just try to make it yung score at lang yung lamang respectable.
Missed shot again for Faye. 2 minutes on the game clock. Jory Napoles with a shot right there. 1 minute on the third quarter.
May bawal naman talaga yon.
Sure. Bawal talaga eh.
Street ball eh. Bawal yun, bawal i-ganon mo sa paa mo. Ipitin. Pwede ganunin mo yung kamay mo, yung gamit mo. Yes. Pwede isa. Yup. Inipit eh. Inipit sa paa. Nandun yung referee sa... Faye now.
Step back.
Against Corpus.
Jory Napoles. On the other side, that's Jeffrey Tancinco. Too strong. And a slam dunk coming from Muofe. And Tancinco with another layup.
And we have a timeout here by Coach Michael Yeba of JMS3 Wi-Fi. We'll be right back.
To 21. Masyadong nga pala sa mga nanonood sa atin sa labas ha. Mayong gabi, Estolentino. Knocks down. Baseball pass. Right in 1-2.
Oh, what?
72 to 38. Easy layup for Philip Manalang. There's a steal. The drive and the score.
First field goal in the second half there.
78 to 40. Cristobilia with a feed. Don Juanco again.
The thrust.
Five and 55. Oh, a big shot ball game. 96 to 57. Reverse is short.
Seconds left on the shot clock. Tipones. Still a good line. Hindi na talaga pumapasok eh, pero straight naman talaga.
Sayang eh, no? Tancinco scores with a 2.
Cinco is the one benefiting all this fast break, baseball pass, touchdown passes of his teammates. Napoles to Bolanadi. Corpus, he thought that itong si Santos nag-green run eh. Nag-spot up pala.
Kick out nila to the corner. Big
That
shot.
time, Tipones at least man lang nakaisa.
End of the third quarter. A big lead for Batuan. We'll be right back for the last one.
First for that guy.
Baseball
Alam mo
pass.
na, mathematically,
Right in 1-2.
as Tipones
78 to 40. Cristobilia with a feed.
outside.
Don Juanco again. Faye Protected by Bulanadi, but recovered. Oh, babawi naman. Si Moke.
Galit na galit.
Too strong. And a slam dunk.
Still a good line. Hindi na talaga pumapasok eh, pero straight naman talaga.
Sayang, eh, no? Ta-5.
Nag-spot up pala.
Kick out nila to the corner. Big
That
shot.
time! Nag-isipitan ka na yun. Wala ito siya. Oo. Wala ko sa kung jersey.
Kung saan ka, desisyon na lang.
Sabi eh.
Nabili?
kuha na part of kanang dribbling violation.
Balilaw. Bali.
Back now to our ball game. All players of Michael Yevana are all locals. You have there Rinomaro, Cabrel, and Tipones as number 4.
Villar.
Villar getting on that rebound. The 5 now for Batuan. You have Tolentino, De Losario, Sapasap, Flores, and Tancinco.
Tolentino. Wow. Another miss for Tolentino.
Kasarapan eh.
Corner 3, that's a miss. Counter steal picked up by Gabriel. Miss shot. De Rosario. To Tancinco. To Tolentino with the layup.
Tolentino.
8 and 40. Denied.
Flores there.
Out of bounds. WB Sevilla Batuan ball.
Tancinco fires. Miss shot. Tolentino with the drive.
Tolentino.
For the reals eh.
Paldo. Huli ni Tikboy. Del Rosario.
Big boy Del Rosario.
Skillful, magaling. Yun yung mga skillful na player na hindi offensive naman yun eh. You're just getting that space of your defender. Just using clearly your strength. Oh, what a pass here. 3 against 1.
Del Tolentino.
Oh no, 662. Almost a steal for Neil Tolentino. They fire from downtown. That's good for 3.
Tipones.
Making his second 3-pointer on the second half. Kanina ninyo, mga 8 yung tinira, wala eh. But it was a good shot.
Del Tolentino.
Warning for delaying the game.
Oh, hindi naman talaga pwede yun eh. Para
Warning
napaisip
for
siya.
the game.
Parang
Del
street
Tolentino.
ball.
Subdivision. Villar moves out. Regalario moves out. Rinomaro moves out.
Bubakar and Paul.
Bubakar and
Going
Mark
back
Paul
now
moves in.
for JMS Wi-Fi. Mahirap na at this time, mahirap talunin na itong WB and Sofia Batuan. Importante lang, just make the score respectable. Gabriel. Faye against Tancinco.
5 seconds shot clock.
Bubakar. Still missing that open shot.
Tolentino. The layup.
Del Tolentino.
Tinitigan lang, no? Faye.
Clearly a foul there on Del Rosario.
Foul on number 17, Thick Boy Del Rosario. Illegal body push. That's 2 shots on
We'd
Faye.
like to thank Nino, no? Mayor Edgar Condor and all the SB members. This is a long week celebration.
Yup.
So from March 2 to 6, this is an open basketball tournament. And on March 8, the first ever El Condor boxing promotion. 10 fights scheduled on that day, Nino.
Oo. Oh, Flores.
Urban
The jumper.
Flores.
Faith. Going hard, Saga.
Sinukat pa no? Tinanong, ano yung height mo?
Basket count, foul on number 28. Save the shoot.
First field goal
Gabriel
for the second.
Mumtown,
Baseball
Margarita
pass.
Mumse.
Right in 1-2. 78 to 40. Cristobilia with a feed.
Tolentino still playing very hard, even though ang laki na ng lamang nila. Yun yung gusto natin. You want to entertain the fans din eh.
Out of bounds. Dolby Insabiable.
Kapapasok pa lang, that's number 3 of JM West S3 Wi-Fi.
Again, thank you so much for the JM Wi-Fi, ha? Flores, short with a jumper.
Big Boy Del Rosario 3.
Again, shout out sa lahat ng nanonood.
Big Boy
Mayor Marco Cam ng Batuan o sa mga taga Batuanon, sige lang, suporta lang tayo. Clearly naman talaga the talent is overwhelming, but yung mga local still lumalaban pa rin eh. Making the GM Estre
Big Boy Del Rosario 3.
they're making it entertaining to all the fans here.
Faye.
But so far, ninyo para nakita na natin, no, na WB Sofia Batuanon magiging 1 and 2 na to sa bracket nila.
Del Tolentino.
Either 1 or 2.
You mean the position?
The positioning, yes.
1 or 2, yup.
So, again, tournament format natin. 6 teams divided into 2 brackets. So, top 1 and 2 will play on the semifinals.
That's out of bounds.
Out of bounds.
4 minutes
That's a
on the
single
game clock.
For team now, WB Sofia Batuan ball.
Faye there, good steal. Tipones, 3 against 1. Pool against
Mark Poole.
in your face. Gusto bumawi ni Flores.
2
Diretso agad.
points, Mervin Flores.
125 to 71, the biggest deficit na nakita natin, coach, no? Yung biggest gap in a ball game.
Yes. Again, mayong gabi dila. Mayor Martin Cam of Batuan for watching us live.
Sabasa 3. Time out, James Ringboy.
127 to 71. First
for
field
that
goal on the
guy.
second
Baseball
half.
pass. Right in 1-2. 78-40. Cristobilla with the feed. De Rosario. Tutancinco. Tolentino with the
Del Tolentino.
You have there Rinomaro, Cabrel, and Tipones as number 4.
Villar.
Villar.
Miss shot. Tolentino with the drive.
Del Tolentino.
Huli ni Tikboy. Del Rosario.
Big boy Del Ros.
Just using clearly your strength. Oh, what a pass here. 3 again.
3 minutes on the game clock. We're just waiting for our final score here.
Out of bounds. TJ Mestre by Bible.
127 to 71.
Out of bounds sa straight ball.
Again, Nino, after this game, may street party dyan sa likod.
Oo.
May
Sa
mga banda.
pass out.
This is an all-week celebration thanks to Mayor Edgar Escondor, really providing the people of Kawayan Masbate.
Pupunta ka ba sa party mamaya?
Ay, hindi, pahinga na tayo.
Oo, siyempre.
Everyday tayo may laro. Sa Sunday may boxing pa.
Two minutes.
Clear
The
ball.
big shot. Two shots.
Last 2 minutes.
Pool.
Sayang. Ganda na sana yun.
Tumira ng 3 at bright in 1-2. Denied by Tikboy. Sap-sap. Pumasok.
What a dunk there by
Sapasap.
Sapasap, using his left hand pabandang dunk. Sabi ng mga tayo, bigay mo kay Pool.
Oh. Athletic talaga.
Subdivision.
Okay din.
Subdivision.
Dancing ko.
Okay din.
Subdivision.
Dan 5. Using the backboard, alley-oop shot lang.
2 points lang daw eh, sabi niya. 2 points lang, ganun lang din naman. May gigil pa eh, no, after. May satisfaction pa. Rosa.
James Raymond Rosa 3.
For sure, Nino. Coach Mayor Marco Cam is very happy after the loss yesterday. It's safe to say, pasok na sila sa top 2. So, papasok na sa semifinals. And of course, all the Batuanon, salamat sa suporta,
30
especially
seconds.
watching on live. And kung hindi masyadong malayo, baka pwede sila pumunta dito.
Oo. Bright in 1 ko. Right here. Whoa! 360 dunk right there.
Owan ko. Alam mo naman na ayaw na rin niya, but still trying to, entertain the fans.
And of the ball game, congratulations,
That's it for our last
and
game.
Sophia Batuan.
WB.
With a result
Sophia
score
Batuan
78 to
with a win,
136.
136 to 78. And to our partner, Coach Paulo Bento Kim Reyes, dagang salamat and happy
At mga bola po ang gabi, at mga bola.
Festival. And you're watching Kamugawa Invitational Tournament 2026.
First field goal on the second
Baseball
half.
pass. Brighton Wanko. Right here. Then they hit the 40. Quesubilla with the feed.
First field goal on the second
Baseball
half.
pass. Brighton Wanko. Right here. Then they hit the 40. Quesubilla with the feed. 360. Dunk right there. Almost a steal for Neil Tolentino. They fire from downtown. That's good for 3.
Rebones!
Walo yung tinira, wala eh. But it was a good shot.
Neil Tolentino!
Still missing that open shot.
Tolentino. The layup.
Neil Tolentino!
Vaccine promotion. 10 fights scheduled on that day, Nino.
Oo.
Oh. Again, shout out sa lahat ng nanonood.
Rebones!
Lumalaban pa rin eh. Making the GM Estre
Big boy, Neil!
stay there. Good steal. Tipones. 3 against 1. Pool against
Mark!
Martin Tam of Batuan for watching us live.
Sabasa!
Again, Nino, after this game, may street party dyan sa likod.
Oo.
May mga
Sabasa!
banda.
By Tikboy. Sap-sap. Pumasok. Oh. Athletic talaga.
Subdivision!
May gigil pa no after. May satisfaction pa. Rosa.
James Raymond!
Brighton Wanko. Right here. Whoa! 360. Baseball pass. Brighton Wanko.
First field goal for the second half.
78 to 40. Quesubilla with a feed. And Wanko again. Brighton Wanko. Right here. Whoa! 360 dunk right there.
They talk tough early, but they fade in the end. I was made for this moment. I was born to win. Every rep, every sprint, every practice in the grind. Let me straight to this buzzer. This is my time.
Lights get bright, heartbeat loud. Pressure make champions standing proud. When it's all on the line, no fear, just calm. Look at the clock, yeah.